Hi, welcome to the second part of this exercise, the F1 side boxes. Now we are at this stage, the lower part is finished, so I will care for the upper part. Okay, I need another sketch on the XY plane. Here, orientation is okay. For this one, I need a line which starts somewhere over here, goes up there, maybe like this. Okay, I might need to adjust it later on. I could move this a little bit. Okay, and I might need to adjust those curves as well. Finish that sketch. Let's use this sketch and move this up. Move this. Move that. Yeah, you could shape this according to your wishes, maybe like that. Finish that sketch and now make another curve. In this case, I combine projection again with this one and that line, and of course you have to go there and then select that line. Make sure those arrows point in the correct direction, and okay. Now I want to do a section surface, a circular one. Go to surface, section surface, a circular one with center and radius. Start guide would be this curve, yes. I can go for cubic and maybe 70 down to 20, for example, and a spine I could use that line, and I need a sheet, and okay. Now I need a datum plane, plane, and this should be defined through object, and the object would be that planar curve. Confirm. Now I can split this surface, trim sheet. I want to trim that sheet with this one. Okay, nice. For the next step I need an extrude face, so I want to go for home, extrude that one, make it, let's say, 600, that's okay. And now I can trim that surface with the edge of that one. So surface, trim sheet, I want to trim that sheet with that edge right here, this one, and extend boundary object to target edges. And okay, nice. Now I need another section surface, another circular one, but one with radius angle arc. Okay, the start guide would be the edge of that one. The start face would be this one. I can go for cubic radius law, yes, 70 to 20, or let's say 100 to 20. And the law type should be constant. I need a spine curve. I could go for, yeah, I could use that as spine or this one as spine. So let's try this one. Okay, that's the wrong direction, so if I switch this one it will go up, yes, so then I have to change here this to minus 90 degrees and that. So yeah, okay. That's hard to see. I always try and see what happens. If I change the spine, it would definitely go in a different direction, but I think that's okay. So confirm this. Next, hide that one. Now I could do the same section surface here with that edge. So again, go for a section surface, radius angle arc. Start guide would be now this edge here, face would be this one. Again 100 to 20, yes. Spine curve, let's use that edge. So let's check if it goes like this. Nope. So it should be 90 degrees and back. Yeah. Now let's take a look. There is some distance here and I have to adjust some curves and some radius, maybe. Let's take a look. This one was a cubic one, and that one as well. So let's change this one to 30. And that one to 30 as well. Okay, now I want to adjust this surface right here, so I want to edit this sketch, one of the first. That's this one as well, so let's edit this one and move this a little bit more in that direction. Okay, finish that sketch. Let's take a look. Okay, and this one as well. So that's this one. No. Sketch 8, 7 is the sketch. So I want to move this one a little bit over there, maybe that one a little bit up, this one a little bit up, and that one a little bit to this position. And let's take a look. Okay, now change the depth of this one. So maybe for the start I could give this 50. That would give me a little bit more room. And now change. Take a look. Now that back to 20. Sorry, I wanted 20, not 200. That's no good. 30. And I might need to change that line a little bit. Sketch 21. So let's take a look. If we move this slightly over here, This might help. Yeah, not quite. And maybe change that one also. That's micro adjustment. You have to do it. So yeah, not quite. If this would be linear, it might be better. No, I could go for a linear long spine. That would look like this. That's no good. So cubic was okay, but maybe 40. Confirm. No, not really. I would have to adjust this and that. Okay, so that would be this sketch. Finish that one. And this one. Seems it's not moving at all, so it's snapped onto something. I'm mistaken. That sketch needs only one constraint, so there might be another constraint here. There's a coincident constraint somehow. Let's delete that one. Now I should be able to move it. Yes, this happens. Okay, and maybe this also snapped onto something. Yeah, so let's check it out. This should be removed. Now I'm able to move it again, maybe up here. This one over here and slightly there, and this one in that direction. Again, that snapped onto something. So let's check it. There's a fixed constraint, coincident constraint. That might be the problem. Yeah. And this point maybe in that direction a little bit, or even more. So I got yeah, maybe like this. Finish that sketch. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's definitely better. Okay, this is always some kind of micromanagement. Now I want to trim, therefore we'll need 2 more planes. So go for datum plane with a distance to this one, and the other direction, the offset. No, okay, not through object, but at distance. That would be a little bit too big, so let's go for, say, 100. Now the plane should be at least visible somewhere. If I select that one, okay. Now turn this around so it would cut off. Yeah, I could go for 50. That would do the trick as well. Okay. Same here. I need one with a distance to that one. Okay. In that direction, and I could go. Let's take a look. Yeah, 50 maybe might do the trick. Now I want to sew some of those. First surface, sew this one with that one and this one. Okay. And then sew this one, that one and this one. Okay. No. Okay. So I might have to loosen this. Go for 0.5. And okay. Did this work? Yes, it did. Great. Now let's trim sheet. I want to trim this one and that one with that surface or plane, yeah, and with this one. I want to do it simultaneously if possible. Yeah, nice. And okay, great. Next trim, that one with this one and the other way around. So go for trim sheet. I want to trim this one with that one, but the complete one, so the sew. So we'll go for jacket body faces, yes. Okay. Again, I might need to, it's not 3 objects, it's just one. That's wrong. So deselect and let's sew the second sew this one. Take a look. Yeah, that worked. Great. Then again, trim sheet once more. Now I want to trim that sheet body. That would be the sew, this one, with that one, the first sew. And again, okay. So this should be the other way around, so go for discard and okay. Great. I want to have a fillet here, so go for a fillet. Home, edge blend, select that edge. Great. This might go from 20 to 5, so I will add some points. I want to use an end point, this end point, okay, and the radius might be 20. And I need a second point, of course, so go for another one here at that end. Endpoint would be great, and this might be 5, and the arc length should be 0, of course. And okay, yeah, we could change, of course, the values. Let's say 20 and 5, not 20 and 5, but 20 and 10, and maybe the first one to 30. Yeah, for example. Nice. Now let's sew those two together. So go to Surface, sew the trim sheet, this one with that one. Okay. And now mirror this. So home, I want to mirror the geometry. Sorry, mirror geometry. Yep. And that would be the last sew, this one. And the plane, the mirror plane would be this plane. Okay. Now for the final part here, I want to hide this one, and I need a section surface from this edge to that edge. So go for surface, more section surface, would be a cubic one, fillet bridge, yes, select start guide, this edge, end guide, that edge, start face, this one, end face, that one, and as tangent, looks good. Spine I could go by vector. That should be in this direction. And okay. Great. Now I need another plane. Go for datum plane with a distance to that one. Turn it around and yeah, maybe 100. And okay. And then a sketch right on this plane. Sketch right there. So this will turn in what direction? Yeah, okay. Let's go over here. And I need a rectangle. Maybe like this. Then make fillets. Delete third curve, so I want it from this one to that one, and different solution, yeah, this one. Okay, then this one with that one, snap it here, great. Now let's take a look. I need a line like this, make this for construction only. And the center point should be aligned with that point right here. So this one and that end point or start point, they should be coincident. Then move this a little bit closer, don't snap, maybe like this, and make it try to move this in that direction a little bit, maybe like this. Yeah, after all, it's just an exercise. I want to close, I want to make fills, I need lines, so go for curve, line, one line from this point to that point. Okay, apply one from this point to that point over here. Okay, apply, and one here, over there. Great. Okay, make fills, so go for fill surface there. So that's this line, but not the complete one. No, it's okay. Then add this, that should be active. This line, that edge, okay. Apply. Next, here, edge, line, edge, line. Okay, and there I want to go for, yeah, that. Go through curves, or you could do these cubic section surfaces. I might go for through curves, so go through curves, select this one, add that one, make it tangent to the first surface. Yep, apply. Now you could mirror this, or you could go for another one over here. Again, select that face. Okay. Now you could go for a fill. In the fill there are different options. Here you could go for through curves. Let's go for through curves. Where's the curve? Through curves, through curves. This edge, that edge, this face, second one as well, that face. That doesn't look too good, but you could do it with through curves. Where is it? Not through curves, but so where is that? Oh yeah, there it is, through curves mesh. Or you could use a fill, or you could go for anything, whatever you want. So if you go through curves mesh, you would use this one, add that one, and as cross curve you would use this edge and that edge or line. Great. And now you could go for first primary tangent to this one, second primary tangent to that one, and first cross tangent to this one, and confirm. Now for this fill, or again through curve mesh, this edge, that edge, and again I forgot, usual mistake, Okay, like this. Then cross curves, first one would be this one, second one that one, first tangency, second tangency, and then there is no tangency, so you have to go for G1, G0, and that's not possible, really. So I would have to use tangency, so I will cancel this out and make a fill. That's easier to do. So fill surface, select, 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 and select, and OK. And I'm done. So hope you enjoyed this one. If you liked it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook Cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more subscriptions and likes on Facebook as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.